Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 cinematic color grading slots for free. Also, I'm going to show you how to use them properly on Premiere Pro CC. So guys, it's a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. First of all, download the LUTs pack. I'll give you all the links in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. Go to the link and download the LUTs. After downloading the pack, you will get 5 professional LUTs inside it. Now let's move on to Premiere Pro and check them out. Now drag your footage on the timeline. You're free to use any footage you want. Now go to Project Panel and create a new adjustment layer. Then drag and drop it on the video layer. Now expand the duration of the adjustment layer. Now go to Lumetri Color. If you don't find your Lumetri Color here, then go to Window and turn on Lumetri Color from here. Inside Lumetri Color, go to the Creative section. Now click on Look and browse the LUTs and select any of these LUTs. I'll try the dark one first. You can play with different LUTs to choose what you want. Also, you can use the basic correction to make the color grading more perfect. Now let's use another footage and explore the LUTs. Just drag and drop the footage and place the adjustment layer on the top. Select any LUTs you want. Now adjust the basic correction. And you are done. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.
Perfect.